Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today we're diving into a word that's everywhere but not always pronounced correctly, chaos. So, how do you say it? Here's the correct pronunciation, chaos. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is K, just like the letter K. And the second part is OSS, rhyming with boss. Now say it with me, chaos. One more time, chaos. Great job. So what does chaos mean? It refers to complete disorder or confusion. Think of a messy room, a traffic jam, or even a wild party. Yep, that's chaos. Did you know the word chaos comes from the ancient Greek word chaos, meaning vast emptiness or chasm? Over time, it evolved to describe disorder and confusion, but its original meaning was more about the empty void of creation. Pretty cool, huh? Here's a quick spelling tip. It's spelled C-H-A-O-S. Some people might think it's pronounced chaos or chaos, but now you know it's chaos. Whether you're describing a messy day or the beginning of the universe, chaos is a word you can now say with confidence. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little help with their pronunciation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.